Hi, it's Hannah with WTI here in my bathroom with my new medicine cabinet. Let me tell you about it. It's by TETOTE. It is 15 by 26 inches and it has some really cool features. My favorite one is that the shelves are adjustable, so you can put them at whatever height you want. And I love that this is a 26-inch mirror, so it's pretty tall, and so I can have three tall shelves for all of our stuff. It's made of aluminum, so it's waterproof. You don't have to worry about it getting old and ugly. The aluminum is going to stay nice, solid, and stylish forever. The beveled mirror adds really a nice dimension and texture to your mirror, and the reflection is crystal clear. You do have to put it together, but it is not difficult at all. The directions are really good. And because it's aluminum, it is super lightweight. So installing it is so easy because you're not having to worry about this big, heavy cabinet that you're trying to hang. It is so light. Once you get the cabinet part hung up, you click in the mirror. Another nice thing about this mirror is you can hang it on the wall like I did, or you can recess it into the wall and the mirror will be flat with your wall. So if you are looking for a beautiful mirror for your bathroom, but also gives you a little bit of extra storage, I highly recommend this mirror by TETOTE. But that's just my point of view.